today going to the 2F Coffee Roastery at the Relau nearby Penang'S. It's a wonderful minimal coffee with an garden. So the coffee academic also is here. So see the wonderful spot for a different coffee pouring of experience. So it's an amazing spot. So we asked permission for the video, so they allowed happily. A wonderful spot. They are also having a coffee training at the opposite side. So the beautiful spot is here. So the library is also inside.
How are you? Okay, Richard? Okay. Yes, sir. You want the tea?
Let's go inside. We have ordered the hot latte. We're making a fresh brew. So the coffee training section room is here. So you can see it anywhere. The wonderful spot it is actually. So you can enjoy and you can get a training here. You can try your drip coffee and everything. So good spot. Penang Coffee Festival is going to happen soon in Penang, in the Sunshine Central I think. So try this spot. Finally our hot lattes arrived. Hospitality here. They're serving the free water also before the coffee. So good to visit the new cafe nearby Penang'S, the opposite to the Amari Hotel and Spice. Try this one time. Thanks for watching. Had a wonderful latte. So rate is 11. Bye. So finally had. So see outside also you can have it from the outside like an drive-through options. So I hope you enjoy the video. This is a small video only. So we can repeat one more time. The opposite is the academy is here, Coffee Roastery Academy. Exactly now 12:15 p.m.